Yes, I believe that you and my colleagues have already said it all. But I would just say that even before, we really saw the President PBBM that he has the heart, he has good intentions actually for the Philippines. And I also observed that he has less talk. He is not always in the limelight. See, he's just working, we believe, no? Just like what Claire Castro was saying. Another is that, as you said, he has a writer in his speech. And then that writer really did a good job. Huh? Yes. And on the other hand, we cannot do anything about those detractors. Well, I would appeal that we should not be more critical, but be part of the solution
Yeah.
our country is facing.
Mhm.
So, with that, I would say his speech was really good. It hit me, and we just hope that with his 2 years term there, he'll be able to do much more to prove himself, and it's for the good of our country.